So quickly nipped out today, received some of these Gemfan spam props in the post. Thought I'd quickly get out, give them a whirl, see what they're like. They're a 4.9 length prop with a 3.4 pitch. Normally used to flying kind of a 5.1 with a 3 pitch, so I do like my low pitch. Do like something quite responsive. See what they're like. Let's give it a go. First time, let's have a look. Give it a little hover. See where my hover point is. Quite windy today. Let's go. Okay. He's already feeling at home. These are a very nice prop. Got enough punch for what I like. Straight up over these trees. To the moon. Straight back under. Oh. These are so controlled. Let's get a little Rubik's past the back of the head. Oh, crash test there. Oh, how are they looking? They look alright? Can't really say. Let's give that again. Yo, yeah, really nice. So controlled. These are definitely giving me the confidence. Could even be, well, no, I'll say it. These are going to be my go-to props already, just from, yo, oh, already, just from this quick 30 seconds. I feel let's get into some tight stuff. Oh, just literally point and shoot with these props. Point and shoot. Oh, do you think Matty this? Oh! Oh my god, these props, man. These props. Oh, so good. Gemfan, you've smashed it. Yeah, they feel really responsive. Like, see what people were saying when they were like, oh, it makes up for the latency in your DJI. Oh, a bit of a casualty. It's feels fine. Nothing wrong at all. Huh. Most other pops then would have had a horrible noise coming from them, or sounding like an angry swarm of bees. Not these Gemfans. Let's get it again. Let's go. Yup. Rubik's through, or out, should I say. So, let's see if we can get this tight gap. Matty the tight gap. Just went through the tree. Absolutely. Rinsed the tree. Oh my god, these props. Why is that? This is completely out of the norm for me. I'm used to having to land now, be like, oh no, is it touching something? Is it bent, hit my wire? Yeah, no, not with these. These seem to be. Yo. That's tight, that is. Oh. No sbang here. Whoa! Just caught me. Yeah, Gemfan. I don't know if you can see them, but oh, let's get it. These guys over my shoulder, oh yeah, are ace. Brilliant props. These are going to be my go-tos.